Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafty. This is Veronica and today I'm here with the first part of the series for making the Valentine/wedding folio. It will be a big folio. It will be 11.5 by 10 with a spine of 1.5, and I have already cut the chipboard pieces, as you can see them here, and of course we will need to wrap them. And so yes, they are 11.5 in length and 10 in width, and I will use this to wrap them around, and I will stick them together, the two. I will put that yellow one in the middle. I didn't find, and today I want to tell you that these are a bit longer because of course 12 won't do. It's not if it would have been 12 inches it wouldn't have been long enough. Couldn't have wrapped the chipboard lengthwise. So then luckily I found some big blocks of paper that today here in Romania they bring in Lidl, from Crelando I think it's called, the brand, and they are like 13.5, and that is absolutely perfect for our need. This tape for me it's 3/4 of an inch or 2 centimeters almost, I think. We are overlapping this. Normally I should have been able to cut this, but this doesn't go in the trimmer either, not in the guillotine either, so I wasn't able to cut it because lengthwise it doesn't go in. So I'm a bit stuck at with this size like this, which is not a problem. It's thick and that is very good. This is our cover ready, guys.